Okay, so we have here the latest build of the ER Mini. Fresh off the printer as of yesterday and assembled yesterday with new platforms, mounting base for the flight controller and all. So, the difference is making sure the motors can be installed with the bells. So this time we don't have to take the bells off in order to install the motor assembly. Everything else is essentially the same, but as you can tell, the whole top side of the airframe is gone. So we removed all of that in an attempt to make it lighter, even though this build specifically, or this print specifically, is not lighter because I printed at a higher density than the airframe before. So this is at a 20% density when the frame before was at an 8% density. So it's potentially we could get half the weight of this airframe on the next 3D print. Other than that, we made it simpler for the battery to be mounted, which is just by a Velcro strap on the bottom. Still 4S battery. The everything is screwed together, so you can see where there's no glue, no epoxy or glue holding this together. So straight up mounted with brackets on all four sides, front, rear, and the front. So those are all held together by screws, which makes it pretty strong. It is very held for stout. The same thing with the motor mount, or the flight controller mount.